What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are now on the price chart and how we caught this movement to the upside that brought us almost 10% of potential profit in a matter of just, let's say, less than 12 days. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news might be the catalyst for this stock for upcoming week. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. Let me show you in details. I made my previous video right here, right after this asset touched this golden pocket range. And for those of you who don't know, the golden pocket range is the range in between 0.65 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels. But you have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of the wave to the top of the wave. And here is the most trickiest part. You have to properly make a breakdown of this wave, and you shouldn't violate any rules of Elliott wave theory. And as you can see, so far so good. I have to say that I also showed you in my previous video how I caught the majority of movements basically for this asset. I guess my win rate right now is more than 70% on Alibaba. I mean medium and short-term trades. And this trade again shows how technical this asset is and how precise might be the technical analysis, because we caught this movement to the upside for more than 9%. And this is a very, very good achievement. So what should we expect next? I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, I have to say that we don't have a lot of bullish news regarding Alibaba, and the sentiment is quite neutral. And let me show you, first of all, let me show you this update that at the very end of August, Susquehanna reiterated its rating for Alibaba and set a price target at the $160 mark, which implies an upside potential of more than 72% from the current range. On top of that, because of the latest update, we have the consensus analyst price target at the range of about $138.64, which still implies almost 46% of upside potential. But guys, if you take a look on Google search results regarding Alibaba, you will not find any news that might be the real catalyst for upcoming week. And the general catalysts for this stock are still the same. First of all, one of the bearish catalysts is definitely the Evergrande bankruptcy. And if you try to Google Evergrande and switch to news tab folder, you will find a lot of news that this Chinese developer files its bankruptcy, filed Chapter 15. And if you take a look on the company itself, this is the biggest or one of the biggest Chinese property developer. And this means the collapse of this company might push the entire Chinese economy to the downside. And you have to keep this in mind. On the other hand, on the flip side of the coin, we have quite bullish news about the spin-off, and we know that Alibaba should have a spin-off in upcoming months, and it should be divided by 6 pieces. And these 6 pieces will be focused on the different branches, and this will bring more value to existing shareholders. But for now, we don't know the details of this spin-off. We don't know the dates. We don't know the exact conditions, and that is why it is a bit early to rely on this spin-off as the major catalyst. On top of that, let me show you the recent news that was published just a couple of days ago. For example, on Yahoo Finance, you can find this one. Alibaba Group Holding stock price declined despite improved results. And this news is not a bullish one, but on the other hand, again, at the very end of August, you can find this one. Alibaba JD.com shares rise after China moves to boost capital markets. And this is quite positive news, and for now we have a lot of this type of mixed news, mixed signals, and that is why we have to be very cautious with the position, with any position on Alibaba stock. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me zoom out a little bit and let me show you this price action in details. I have to say that we can see, and basically it is almost 100% correct. If we connect all the bottoms of this asset, you can see that it is following this range of support, and so far so good. It doesn't break it to the downside, and this means we are still at least in a medium-term uptrend. The second point that I want to show you is this one. As I already mentioned, we completed 5-wave structure from this bottom that was set at the very end of May till this top that was set at the very end of July. And we completed 5-wave structure, and we completed pretty much the ABC correction to the downside. And we hit the golden pocket range, and with the confluence of this range of support, we basically made our conclusion that this asset should go higher, and we caught this movement to the upside. And for now, I have to say that this asset reached again another crucial point. Let me show you. Let me delete this tool. I don't need this Fibonacci retracement level so far. And if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom, as you can see, this asset reached again a golden pocket range. Or you can pull it from the top of the B wave in order to measure only this wave alone, and we are basically at the same spot. And this is also the most probable range of trend reversal, and that is why this asset has this rejection. So what should you do if you are in position right now? I have to say that 9% overall from the August 18th till present day is a very good achievement, and you have several options. First of all, you can close your position entirely at this very point, and you can book your profit. Second option, you can put your stop loss on a green territory, and this means if we will see the next leg to the upside, definitely you will be able to stay in this position and to catch even bigger profits. But the downside potential is following. If my assumption is incorrect, and if we will see another leg to the downside that will break this, as you can see, this line, this range of support, definitely you will hit your stop loss order, and in this case your profit will not be so lucrative. And this means it's up to you. Definitely every decision is up to you, because it is your money and your responsibility. And definitely for now I have to say that we have to see some kind of movement to the downside. And if I were you, I would partially close my position right here, and then I would ladder my buys down, and somewhere at this point will be the crucial point which will determine the next potential movement of this asset. And definitely, guys, if you want to follow my technical analysis, I highly suggest you to subscribe to my channel, and drop me a line in the comment section if my technical analysis is useful for you, and show me what should you know more about technical analysis, and I will try to do my best in order to help you to find it out. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.